Now, in large numbers, that is in 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers, skip counting and number patterns should be taught. What happens in skip counting? Counting 10, 10, 20, 30, 40. This practice should be given. Similarly, what happens when 10 is added to a number? To 25, when you add 10, it is 35. Add 10 to it, it becomes 45. It means 5, 15, 25, 35. Like this, skip counting has to be taught. This skipping, the jump, what should be the skip gap? Children should learn. After observing 2 or 3 skips, they will learn the future skip gaps. It may be 5 or 100 or 50, 20 in different ways. Make children work and teach them. Patterns. Another form of skip counting is pattern. Number patterns can be taught as mentioned in the textbooks in detail to the children. Alright? Here, please note a point. In skip counting, difference between 2 digits, the difference between 2 numbers is constant. Equidistant skips will be there. But in number patterns, difference between the 2 digits or between 2 numbers may vary. Please observe. Now, here is an example: 10, 20, 30, 40. What is next? We can ask. It means the difference between first 2 numbers is 10, right? Difference between second and third is 10. So the skip is equidistant. So what is the next number? 40 plus 10 is 50. Then 50 plus 10 is 60. This is an equidistant skip. Skip counting, right? Now, you please observe. Now you please observe. Observe here. Is this skip counting? Count the difference between 2 numbers in this sequence. Difference between 1 and 2 is 1. What is the difference? It is 1, right? From 2 to 4, the difference is 2. It skipped 2 steps. It jumped 2. Similarly, from 4 to 7, it is 3-step skip. From 7 to 11, what could it be? We saw the 3-step skip. The jump is 1, 2 and 3, so it could be 4. So 7 to 11, it is 4 steps skipped. It could be 11. Yes, it is 11. So our counting is right. What we counted is right. So what are the next 2 numbers in the sequence? This skip, how many differences should it have? It should be 5, right? So the number is 16. What could the next number be? Difference of skip is 6. So it will be 22. So we call this number patterns. We call this number patterns. Initially, children will find it tough to understand. This is a question from abstract stage. This is a challenge for the intellect. It is also fun. It has to be taught as a challenge to the intellect. Encourage students by saying something special in this activity. Encourage them, motivate them, saying, there is a magic in this. Let us solve it. This is how you have to teach it to them. Okay? So far, we learnt details of place value and numbers. In the class, using various TLMs, make the children participate in the activities and learn through play.